wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name Wahyudiko Wijaya from Informatic 22B NPM 22312125. Welcome to this video where we will explain the basic concept of algorithm in the computer world. Algorithms are a fundamental part of programming and computing, and a good understanding of algorithms is essential for anyone who wants to understand how computers work and how we can solve problems using technology. Let's get started. Why are algorithms important? Why should we care about algorithms? Algorithms are the foundation of almost all software and application in existence. They help computers understand what to do, how to do it, and in what order. In everyday life, algorithms are used in search on search engine, in recommendation on streaming platform, and in many other applications. They are also used in fields of science such as math, physics, and biology to solve complex problems. Characteristic of algorithm. Algorithms have several important characteristics. Input. The algorithm receives input or initial data that needs to be processed. Output. The algorithm product on an output or solution after processing in input. Limitation. Algorithms have time and resource constraints that must be considered. Deterministic. The algorithm will give the same result for the same input. Limited. The algorithm must have a limited number of steps to solve the problem. Example of a simple algorithm. Let's look a simple of an algorithm, a list search algorithm. Suppose we have a list of name and what to search for a particular name. The search algorithm will give us the step to find the name in the list. Control structure. In programming, we use control structure like if-else statement, looping, and function calls to organize algorithm. This allows us to create a clear flow of logic in the program. Famous algorithm. Some of the famous algorithms that are widely used are sorting algorithm, searching algorithm, greedy algorithm, and divide and conquer algorithm. Each has unique application in data processing and problem solving. Algorithm analysis. It is important to analyze the performance of algorithms, including speed and resource usage. This helps us choose the most efficient algorithm for a particular task. Simple algorithm example. Here I will give an explanation of simple algorithm example that can help you understand how algorithm work. Let's assume you have a pl- place a pile of coins and you want to calculate how many coins are in the pile. To calculate the number of coins, you can use a simple algorithm as an example. Algorithm for counting the number of coins. Set up a pile of coins. Initialize Initialize a coin count variable to 0. This variable will be used to count the number of coins. Take one coin from the stack. Add 1 to the coin count variable. Check if there are still coins in the stack. If there are still coins in the stack, go back to step 3. Otherwise, process to the next step. Display the value of the coin count variable. This is the number of coins in the stack. The above is a simple algorithm to count the number of coins in the stack. Let's break down each step. You prepare and stack of your coins. You coin the coin count variable is installed as 0 to store the number of coin to be counted. You start picking up one coin from the stack. You start picking up one coin from the stack. Each time you take one coin, you add one to the coin count. You check if there are still coins in the stack. If yes, you get back to step 3. Otherwise, you proceed to the next step. This step ensures that you don't keep picking up coin after the stack is exhausted. Finally, you display the value of the coin variable, which is the number of coin in the stack. This is a simple example algorithm. It is clear, sequential, and defines the step required of achieve a particular goal. It can also be applied to many everyday situations, such as counting the coin in your wallet. Simple algorithm like this form the basic for a deeper understanding of programming and computing. A strong understanding of algorithm will help you in designing solutions to more complex problem. Algorithm analysis is algorithm analysis is the process used to evaluate the performance of an algorithm. The purpose of algorithm analysis is to understand the extent to which the algorithm is efficient in accomplishing a particular task. An understanding of how algorithms behave in terms of execution time, memory usage, and other resources is crucial in software development. In algorithm analysis, we often focus on two main aspects, time and space. Time analysis. Time analysis involves this determining how long it takes for an algorithm to complete a task according to the input size. The big zero notation uh, is often used to measure the time complexity of algorithm. It provides an estimate of the best worst of average performance of the algorithm in relation to the input size. Example, if you have a search algorithm that runs in zero time, this means that execution time of the algorithm will grow linearly as the input size increase. For example, if you have 100 data, the algorithm will take longer than if you only have 10 data. Space analysis involves determining how much memory space is required by an algorithm to complete a particular task. Big zero notation can also be used to measure the space complexity of algorithm, which gives us estimate of the extent to which the algorithm use memory in relation to the input size. Example, if you have a sorting if you have a sorting algorithm the that requires zero addition one memory, this means that the algorithm memory use will not increase as the input size increase. In addition, algorithm analysis also involves the use of concepts such as base worst and average best complexity is the time or space analysis that occurs in the best situation. Uh, Sorting an already sorted list. Worst complexity is the analysis that occurs in the worst situation. For example, sorting a list reverse order. Average complexity is an estimate of the time or space expected in average situation. In software development, understanding algorithm analysis help developers in choosing the most suitable algorithm for a particular task. For example, if time efficiency is critical, they will choose an algorithm with low time complexity. If memory use must be minimized, they will choose an algorithm with low space complexity. Algorithm analysis is also useful in comparing several different solutions to solve problem. As software developer, having a store understanding of algorithm analysis will help you design and optimize efficient and effective solution. Conclusion. In this video, we have explained the basic concept of algorithm. Algorithms are the foundation of computing and programming, and a good understanding of them is key to becoming an efficient software developer. Hopefully, this video provides you with useful insight of this topic. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.